From the moment we humans first gazed up at the cosmos, we've been driven by a primal curiosity about our place in the grand tapestry of existence. We yearn to understand not just where we come from but where we're all going. The universe, with its billions of galaxies, trillions of stars, and vast stretches of space-time, might seem eternal and unchanging. But like everything we know, it too has a lifespan. Scientists have dedicated their lives to unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos, uncovering several compelling theories about how our universe might meet its end. Join me now, as we journey to the edge of knowledge and explore 5 mind-blowing scenarios for how the universe could end. Imagine a universe where the lights slowly begin to dim. Stars, those fiery crucibles of creation, exhaust their nuclear fuel and fade into darkness. Galaxies would become littered with the remnants of dead stars, black holes, neutron stars, and cold, dark stellar embers. With star formation grinding to a halt, the universe would grow increasingly cold and desolate. Black holes, those cosmic predators, would eventually consume the remaining matter, growing larger and ever more dominant. Over unimaginable stretches of time, even black holes will evaporate through Hawking radiation, leaving behind nothing but a faint whisper of thermal energy. What goes up must come down, right? This simple observation might also hold true for the fate of the universe itself. In this scenario, the expansion of the universe, the very thing we observe today as evidence of the Big Bang, doesn't continue forever. Instead, the inexorable pull of gravity slowly halts the expansion. Like a ball thrown skyward that loses momentum and falls back to Earth, the universe begins to contract. Galaxies, drawn by the irresistible force of gravity, start to hurtle towards each other. Ultimately, all matter and energy would converge in a single point, an unimaginably hot and dense singularity, mirroring the conditions of the Big Bang itself. Chapter 3. The Big Rip, a universe torn asunder. What if the expansion of the universe, far from slowing down, actually accelerates out of control? This is the unsettling premise of the Big Rip. Driven by a mysterious force known as dark energy, the fabric of spacetime itself would stretch at an ever-increasing rate. Initially, this expansion would be imperceptible on cosmic scales, but as time goes on, its effects would be felt closer to home. Galaxies would be torn apart, their stars flung out into the void like untethered ships on a raging sea. Even the most fundamental structures in the universe, atoms themselves, would be unable to withstand the escalating forces. Chapter 4. Heat Death, the universe withers away. The laws of thermodynamics tell us that entropy, a measure of disorder, always increases in a closed system. The universe, as far as we know, is the ultimate closed system. In the heat death scenario, the universe continues to expand and cool, but never quite reaches a state of complete stillness. Matter persists, but it spreads so thinly that stars can no longer form. The universe becomes a tepid, uniform soup of increasingly low-energy particles. With no usable energy gradients to drive processes like star formation, life, or even the simplest chemical reactions, the universe effectively dies. Chapter 5. Vacuum Decay, the universe annihilated in an instant. The universe we observe seems stable, governed by predictable laws of physics. But what if this stability is just an illusion, a precarious balance that could be shattered at any moment? That's the alarming possibility raised by the theory of vacuum decay. In quantum field theory, the vacuum isn't empty space. It seethes with virtual particles flitting in and out of existence. If a patch of true vacuum were to spontaneously emerge, it would create a bubble of absolute nothingness expanding at the speed of light. This bubble wouldn't just destroy matter, it would rewrite the laws of physics themselves. Outro: the universe, a never-ending story? As we've seen, the universe is a place of wonder, beauty, and yes, even terror. These end-of-universe scenarios, while grounded in science, might seem like the stuff of nightmares, but they serve as powerful reminders of the vastness of existence and the transient nature of all things. While the end of the universe might be billions, trillions, or even an unimaginable number of years away, contemplating these cosmic possibilities allows us to appreciate the preciousness of the here and now. And if you enjoyed this journey to the end of the universe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing explorations of the cosmos.